Friends, today your Math on Your Own is going to focus on the end of unit topic 8. We're going to look at time, we're going to look at money, and these are going to be 3 pages, 6 total, front and back, that you're going to need to staple together. So what do you need ripped out? 497, 498, 499, 500 is on the back, 501, 500. Grab those, put your name on the front, and please staple them together before we get started. So this is exactly what your test looks like. We're going to spend some time on it today, and then you're going to take this home to study it. So if you didn't understand some of these as you go through, change them at home or talk about them at home and get some money out in practice. So it says Chen has these coins. How much money does Chen have? Nice thing is that it's counting on. First thing I would do is say, okay, how much are these coins worth? Well, this one's worth 25, 10, 5, 1, and 1. It's the first thing. Just write the value there. 25, quarter, dime, 10, nickel, 5, penny, 1, and 1. So now it says count on to find the total. Well, sure, you're going to add 25 plus 10. So here I have 25. Now 25 plus 10 is how much? That plus 5 is how much? That plus 1 is how much? And this plus 1 is how much? That's counting on. So when it says count on, you're going to take the biggest value and then add them together, and then add another, and then add another, and add another, and write this running total as you go across. Right? So go ahead and do that. So 25 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Ellen has 4 coins. The total value is 46 cents. She has 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 penny, which shows her 4th coin. So she has, up here, 1 quarter, 1 dime, I know a dime's worth 10, and 1 penny. I need a total of 46 cents. Well, let's count this. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 1 is 36 cents. So I have 36 cents, and I need to get to 46 cents. What coin can get me there? I need one more coin. Which one gets me from 36 to 46? Nancy has 31 cents. Which coins could she have? Choose all that apply on your test. You've got to make sure you counted all of them. Here's my tip. Write the coins amounts above them. Add them together. So 25 plus 10 plus 1, and write the total. Pause it here and write it. And then here, 25 plus 1 plus 5. Write the total. If it equals 31 cents, you check the box. If it doesn't, you just leave it blank. Go ahead and do that for the last 2 down here. These are dimes, 10s. These are nickels, 5s. Write the total numbers, write the number under each coin, how much it's worth, and then add it together and add it together. If I don't see these here, then it means you're just not putting the work in. Down here it says quarters, dimes, nickels. Show all the ways to make 25 cents. So go ahead and write 25 cents down here. And then come up with 4 ways to make 25 cents. Then it says circle the way that uses the least number of coins. So one of them is going to have the least amount of coins. Circle that one. Flip it on the back. Mr. Zink has a dollar bill shown below. How many dollars does he have? Just count it up. Get 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. Write the sum. Claire has 2 $20 bills, 2 $5 bills, and 3 $1 bills. How much money does Claire need to buy a bike that costs $89? So it's asking you not how much she has, how much she needs. So 2 20s, 2 5s, and 3 1s. So I would total this up, and I need 89. So 20 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5. And I'd have a total over here. So whatever my total is, I'm just going to subtract it from 89. 89 minus all these dollar bills, because it says how much more. How much more is subtraction? 89 minus all this money is equal to your difference. And then it says down here, take this amount, and it says, what bills can you use to show how much money Claire needs? Well, whatever money total you get here, draw the bills down here. And you're doing the same thing down at the bottom. It says K has $30. Show 3 different ways to make 30. Circle the way that uses the least amount of bills over here. So you know that they all have to equal $30 using 20s, 10s, and 5s. Can't use 1s, friends. Can't just do 31s. You have to do 20, 10s, and 5s. Next page. Sandy wakes up in the morning at the time shown on the clock. What time does she wake up? So first off, morning. If it's morning, you know it's a.m. So a.m., a.m., p.m., p.m. This can't be the answer. Why? Because it says a.m. morning. Now I'm looking at them, and I'm looking at just the hour hand. I don't even have to look at the times. I just have to look here at the hour hand. The hour hand's between the 6 and the 7. Means it's 6. There's only one that could be. 6:10 a.m. So that's a freebie from me. Over here it says a couple different ways to show 4:45 on the clock. Choose yes or no. 4:45 is 4:45, 4:45, 15 minutes before 5, 45 minutes after 4. I'll give you a hint. 3 of them are yes. 1 is no. Clock shows the time that Holly leaves for school. It takes 15 minutes to walk to school. At what time will Holly arrive? So right here, it's clearly 8:15. But then I have to go 15 minutes to school. So 5, 10, 15. So really, I'm getting, move this hand down here, and I'm getting to school, or she's getting to school, Holly, at 8:30. So you need to find all that represent 8:30 over here. There are 2 of them that are representing that. The first clock shows the time the sun rises. At the same time on the second clock, and if it says sun rises, rises means morning. Write the time, circle AM, PM. Look at the time on the first clock. What time will it be in 10 minutes? Write that time on the second clock. So this hand's going to have to go 5, 10. So it's going to be pointing there. Write that time. Circle AM or PM to tell what you would do with each activity. This is pretty self-explanatory. And then down here, draw a line to match the times on the clocks. Just draw a line and match them up. Here, they have a toy store. They're selling some things, a puzzle for $14, a book, crayons, and some checkers, a game. So Lorna paid 6 coins for a box of crayons. So she paid 6 coins for 38 cents. And he paid 7 coins for 38 cents. Figure out the coins that represent those two. Up here, Kim goes to the toy store with those coins up here. What's the total value? So add it up. How much more money does she need to buy the book? Well, whatever this total is here, you're going to subtract it from the book. The book is $1. $1 minus whatever's left, or you can add up from this. Flip it over. Whew. So it says $50 all the way down. You have to show 5 different ways to do $50. I'll give you one. 20, 40, 50. There's one way. And guess what? There's 4 more ways. Which way uses the least number of bills to make $50? Explain. And last but not least, over here it says Ted walks to the toy store in the afternoon. He starts walking at the time shown on the clock, 3:35. Draw hands on the clock to show the same time. So draw 3:35 over here. Is the time on the clock above 3:35 a.m. or p.m.? Afternoon. So down here it's going to have to be a.m. or p.m. afternoon. Well, if afternoon's a.m. or p.m., explain how you know. Is it a.m. or p.m.? And last year it says down at the bottom for part B, Ted gets to the store 10 minutes later. Write that time 2 different ways. So if you have the time over here and you add 10 to it, it's going to be 3:45, and write that time 2 different ways.